this video, I'll show you how to download conversations in Slack. Now, please keep in mind that I am not talking about DMs and that I am using the free version. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to your channel name on the top left, and you'll see a little drop down arrow. You're going to want to click on that. Then you want to hover over Tools and Settings and go to Workspace Settings. Now it'll probably prompt you to sign in. So sign in with whatever method you usually use. And when you're done signing in, it's going to bring you to this screen. Now on the top right, next to Settings and Permissions, you'll see Import Export Data. Again, you want to move over to Export. And here it points out very clearly what a standard export gets you. And here it very clearly points out what you get and what you don't get. So what you want to do now is choose your range. So I'll just say for the last 7 days and then hit Start Export. When the export is complete, you will get an email. So you'll go to that mail, click on Visit Your Workspace Export page, and then click on Download on the export page. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.